This is such a wonderful journey of excavating these wonderful, grungy, rusty papers and techniques that we will do to get a rusty look and grungy feel and color. And it is such a wonderful process. I felt like a mad scientist, and I said a lot of, oh my goodness, every time something happened, and that was a lot. It was a lot of really, really great paper creating. We create all of our layers before we even get to our projects. So all we do is we stack them up on top of each other and create this amazing project. And that is also like the layers of our story. The things that we've been through and done and accomplished and challenged ourselves with, they layer and layer and layer, and they make us who we are. And I can't wait to share this process with you. I can't wait for you to have your own squeals and aha moments.